What's going on, guys? Wolfie here. Today we have some footage of Capture the Flag. My goal was to try and keep the enemy away from our flank, so I decided to run my HBA tapped high kappa to have the advantage of lightweight and fast maneuverability to attempt and hold back the enemy. Enjoy the video, guys.
I know, right? Got one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. There you go. Got him. I got him. Okay, racking up them kills. I think that was a hit. I'm just gonna call that one. Dude, I already got like 10 kills. Oi, there's someone over there.
Who's over there?
I don't know, a man. Come on. It's not shooting hard. Oh, my bad. You were coming towards me. That's my fault. You were coming towards me. It just automatic. Yeah.
Stood up that right side, me and 3 other guys. You're good though.
Red? Say again?
Over there, by the wall, over there, one behind it.
I see his ankle. Fuck. Got him. That's pretty sick, right? Did that not hit you? Did I hit you? Huh?
Did I hit you?
I thought I hit you. So
No, I didn't get hit.
Alright, well, good job, Brian. Woo, we win! Alright, I don't know if I hit that guy. I'll have to put it in slow motion, but high kappa experience. I was running it right now because of capture the flag, so I wanted to see if it would be easier to move around to get the flags. And in my case, it did. So it did help a lot. I'm out of breath because I'm a big man. But yep, epic.
Next round, I ended up switching back to my Polar Star Jack. This round, the game mode is Stickman, and if you don't know what Stickman is, it's basically a game of tag. If the refs hit you with a foam sword, you must respawn. If you tag a ref with a melee weapon, they are frozen for a certain amount of time. Sadly though, I did not have a melee, so I had to keep moving. Enjoy the footage.
Fuck, are you walking faster than me? Hello. Aww. What a wanker. I kind of want to see what the refs do. We're on a hunt for a ref. Oh, thank you, big man. Protecting us as usual. Alright, where are these refs at? We're gonna find us a ref. Yeah, they are very spooky. They're indigenous to this area. They actually stay hidden. See this wall? This could be a ref, but I just don't know. Refs are very rare. You don't normally see refs. Usually they're in their tower, their little hideout. Oh, I found a ref. Man just slit his throat. Please hurry up. You good? Yeah, that's my dad. Not really. I'm actually 18. He looks like he's 16. Wow, that's a really nice gun.
Yeah. Who the hell just said that?
Go, 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 go. Please don't shoot! I am a man! Please, no! Don't shoot me! I'm only a virgin, please! Please, no shoot! I am virgin, please, no! Hello? Is there anybody there? Me bruja! Me bruja! I spit on you! I spit on you! This is our guardian right here. Get it? Guardian wolves. Gay.
See anybody?
Not really, everyone's hiding.
Yeah.
I had to go to their spawn to even get a kill.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I spit on you. Hello, ref. Yes, slit his throat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, that wasn't really epic. I got my nipple slit by a ref. Fucking ref just pierced my nipple. That's a story. I just got my nipple pierced by a ref.
Did you really?
Yeah. Hello? Is there anybody around this corner? Oh, now that I see.
3 minutes.
Oh, no! Good job. Who is this man?
Monkey.
Accuracy. Hey, can I borrow that weapon off of you? Can I borrow that real quick?
Yeah.
Epic, thank you. Thank you. Ref, you are mine. You are mine, ref. Where's the fucking ref? Your ass is mine, ref. I want that ass. I want that ass. Oh, no.